Today we're making Anchor Bar buffalo wings recipe. This recipe comes from Anchor Bar in Buffalo, New York. However, instead of deep frying them, we're gonna roast these in the oven. Let's get cooking. Add your chicken wing parts to a large bowl. Add 4 teaspoons of vegetable oil or canola oil and season this with some salt. Give these a tossing. I like to use some tongs when I'm tossing the chicken wings around. Now we're going to sift 3/4 of a cup of flour. I find sifting is the best way to coat the chicken wings, about 8 to 10 inches above. Line a tray with some foil. This helps. Cleanup will be a breeze, I promise you. Add the chicken wings and we're going to bake them in that preheated oven for 20 minutes. There won't be too much colour at this stage. Turn the wings over and add them back to the oven for another at least 20 minutes until they're golden brown. Your oven may take a little bit longer. We're looking for a crisp golden colour like this. Let's make the hot sauce. Depending on how spicy you like it, 4 to 8 tablespoons of hot sauce, whatever flavour you like. A little bit of cayenne pepper if you like it spicy, and some garlic powder. We're going to use some acid to balance out the sauce. We're going to add some apple cider vinegar. Now just let this gently melt together. You'll notice the sauce will thicken slightly with the butter. Take a look at that. Don't worry about the separation, that'll come together. That's how thick the sauce should be. Now you can either serve it with the chicken wings or drizzle it over your chicken wings, depends on how you like it. I think what we should do is try one. But I do like to serve this with celery sticks and blue cheese. As you taste it, it's got a crunch to it, but the meat inside is soft, tender, and juicy. Until next time, I'm Jon Ashton. Always remember, keep it simple. So good.